You couldn't, in the last month and change, you couldn't access here so easy. Thick with swamp and so, and Ben Coast scared me, put up the fence. The people that used to come in at the next property there and walk in through some Picado Road. So I don't know. But in real truth, here was never a beach environment. This spot here was never a beach environment. You could see it for yourself. If you look over there, you see what part there is a beach environment. Well, I don't have a difficulty with it, but I have problem with in my view, that maybe, I don't know if because of the farmer politician or whatsoever, but either Belizean, either one investor, either contractor, I do all kind of things. But I don't know, no big name, so I have a difficulty with it. They're not like, not here. They destroy the environment, they destroy nothing. We not encroach for nobody land. You're not encroach for no private property. They're not like there's an issue environmentally. Right here is environmentally sound.